Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy DC back at you with another video on the trading channel. And as you can see, we came out pretty strong today. Well, I wouldn't say pretty strong, but we came out profitable today. We made $276.50 trading GJ. I haven't traded GJ in a while, so it was good to come back and trade GJ. Now we'll be breaking down how I made this money, of course. And it was pretty simple, actually. It was just a support trade, really. All I trade is support and resistance, like, just to keep it that simple. Support and resistance. So to break it down, let's see, because I literally just marked this up today. So clear as day, GJ is currently ranging right now. So ranging markets is just going up and down, up and down. So when it gets to the bottom, you want to buy it. When it gets to the top, you want to sell it till some point it breaks out in either direction and gives us a clean retest. So I've seen the market was raging. I said ranging. So I drew out this little support area right here where price can potentially come down to and bounce off of. So I drew the support area. As you can see, it played out as resistance in the past, and turned support, broke out, still maintained support. It didn't give us a clear retest and drop. So at a point in time, where was I think it was, I'm on a daily, sorry, the 4 hour. So came down to the 4 hour, seeing these two wicks right here in this big zone. I'm like, okay, there's 2 wicks right here on the 4 hour. There has to be some type of support down on the 1 hour that's causing these wicks. And as you can see, this area right here is what was causing those 2 wicks on the 4 hour. And the way I trade, if we're at a zone of support and resistance, support or resistance, either or, I would like to see 2 wicks on a 4 hour time frame. 1 wick is like, it depends on how big the candle is. So if it's a big old candle, then yeah, I need to see like 2 wicks and candle closures of like big wicks to either side. Like whichever way I'm going, if I'm buying, I need to see 2 big wicks to the downside on a 4 hour time frame. If I'm selling, you see 2 big wicks to the on the buy side, so I can sell it. But I found the support area. Support turned resistance at first. Resistance broke out, tested support again. So at this moment, I'm like, okay, I'm going to wait until, because this 4 hour candle is already formed. It was down here. So I'm like, okay, if it doesn't push through this box, what I would like to see is price come back up. Excuse me. I like to see price come back up to this body open right here, because this is where price open. It closed up here. I want to see price come back to the body open, and then I'm gonna take an entry. So what I did was I took the entry at the body open. The stops was initially under the box, but as price started to go in my favor, I just shortened the stop loss. Now I'm not gonna lie, overall take profit was this zone up here, but I was reading it as like that's gonna be like a real swing. It's probably gonna take like maybe a day or 2. So I just played it as an intraday trade, because that's mainly what I do is intraday. So as price just started going in my favor, put the stop loss down here. Then it got up here. I was like, there's no point even putting that break even. We're about to hit take profit. And I basically trade off at this zone right here. This is kind of like a support turn resistance zone right here as well. So it was pretty clean, actually. It tapped right into it. Now it's actually breaking out and retesting, and it should, well, let me not say that, we should expect it to go up and hit this zone again. Now with GJ, I don't know, because overall trend, it's even ranging on the weekly. So GJ might just keep bouncing up and down for a little while, but who knows? We'll see how these markets play out. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. It was a clean little GJ trade. It took about an hour and a half. The title might say an hour, just for clickbait purposes, but it really took like an hour and a half. Go down to the 30-minute. I got in at this candle, I believe, and then 30 hour, about an hour 30. And yeah, it's pretty much it. Clean, simple trade. All you gotta do is keep shit simple. I mean, daily support. That's what really, like, you know, made this a very strong level. This is a daily support. It's not just like no 4 hour, 1 hour, even though those are strong levels as well. But this is a daily support. So seeing the daily support, we should see some strong momentum at this level. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Sorry for if my teaching sucks. Like I said, I'm getting better at it though. But yeah, I'm just really like a trader. I'm not really like a teacher, but like I said, I'm documenting this whole little journey I'm on, so I can know, you know, see what I need work on in the future. But yeah, I went in with a standard lot. I didn't want to risk too much because, you know, GJ is very volatile. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was spreads or what, but this take profit is supposed to be 36 pips, so I was supposed to make like 360, but because I got in at 157.783, and this is 157.783. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting played here, but yeah, 276.50. I don't know how much commissions it was actually, but yeah, 276.50, clean trade. I don't know how I'm gonna look at the rest of this week. Actually, I don't know if I might trade anymore. What is this? Okay, it's Wednesday currently. If I do keep placing trades, I might. I don't know. It's kind of iffy. I was gonna take this gold trade as well, but I'm thinking gold was gonna drop because gold was ranging as well. It look like gold is going for a buy still to fill in this big ass gap area from NFP. So I don't know. We just have to see. I'm not really good at trading gold. I just trade it when I see some setups, like clean setups like this, because gold can fuck you up. But yeah, as far as I'm looking at these charts right now, gold looks like it can head up for a while up into this little zone. I'm pretty sure this is a daily resistance, and GJ can probably continue rising, break out of this area retest, shoot up. Nas, I don't see nothing right now. It's not in the area of interest, but possibly push out of the zone, retest, go up, or break out of here, retest, go down. Same with SPX. Just keep it that simple. Support and resistance. If y'all want to break down on how I draw my charts out, I can make a video on that easily. But yeah, I'm done talking. It's about 8 minutes in this video now, so yep, I'm gonna just, you know, analyze some of these charts, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.